So this is not surprising at all. Huawei came out with a foldable phone that looks exactly like what the rumored Z Fold Wide is going to look like, slash the iPhone Fold. Huawei just beat everyone to the punch, which is what they normally do. They are very good at doing this, and they are very good at just releasing products before other people can to get ahead of the curve. And yeah, that's exactly what we see here. This is a Pura X Max, and if you looked at any rumors or speculations around the iPhone Fold, this looks almost identical one for one of what people are saying the iPhone Fold is going to look like. And yeah, Huawei strikes again, and Huawei gets the W. Now, I will still say, personally speaking, I'm not too much of a fan of the design with how small it is. I think this literally looks exactly like the Google Pixel Fold 1, except it's a lot smaller. So instead of it being like, an actual candy bar cell phone size, it's a lot smaller than that, which I don't know. Just not my cup of tea personally, but I know some people absolutely love this concept, and it kind of gives you that Surface Duo 1 vibes, or 2 vibes, I guess, with the camera notch, but again, it's just smaller. Smaller than, I feel like, a lot of different cell phones. Maybe not. Maybe I'm incorrect on this one. Never mind. I think it's the iPhone Fold has just really, ingrained in my brain how small that device actually is. And it makes this device seem smaller, but it's actually not. Maybe. I don't... kind of torn now. Because maybe it's not that much smaller, but it looks like the equivalent of a very small passport phone type concept. So maybe I'm incorrect. Maybe it's actually not smaller, but it just looks smaller to me. And if you've seen the rumors of the iPhone Fold, it's very similar to this concept, where it's a very small level passport phone. Which, again, it could work out perfectly good and perfectly fine. One thing I love about the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold 7, I love that beautiful 8-inch inside display. That's actually massive. So I mean, again, like I said, it's one of those things where, okay, it is what it is. I also personally do love the Google Pixel Fold 1, so, maybe I'm just crazy looking at it. Maybe just the concept that it's not what we have seen over the last set amount of time. So my brain's just so conditioned to the new foldable phone style that this one is actually weird when it's really not weird at all. And it's actually exactly what I love. Maybe that's the concept I'm just kind of falling into. But with that being said, it is what it is. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.